The journey begins with certified ballistic-grade armored steel. Every sheet is inspected before entering production. Computer-controlled laser cutters shape every armored component with millimeter precision. Each cut ensures perfect alignment for the Limousine's reinforced structure. Every armored component is carefully finished before assembly. Smooth edges guarantee accurate robotic welding. Automated positioning systems eliminate assembly errors. Every reinforcement is locked into its exact location. Robotic welding creates an exceptionally rigid armored foundation. Every weld is continuously monitored for maximum strength. Every welded frame is digitally measured for perfect dimensional accuracy. Only chassis meeting strict tolerances move to the next stage. The armored body structure is built around the reinforced chassis. Every panel is positioned with robotic precision. Thousands of precision welds transform separate panels into a single armored body. The rigid structure forms the Limousine's protective shell. Multiple layers of advanced armor dramatically increase occupant protection. Every protective panel is individually fitted and secured. Multi-layer ballistic glass provides exceptional protection without sacrificing visibility. Precision installation ensures a perfect armored seal. Every surface is carefully prepared before paint is applied. A flawless finish starts with perfect body preparation. Every trace of dust is removed before primer application. A perfectly clean surface ensures maximum paint adhesion.
The electrocoat process protects the Limousine from corrosion. Even hidden areas receive a uniform protective coating.
Controlled heat permanently cures the corrosion-resistant primer. The hardened coating prepares the body for its luxury finish. Precision robotic painting creates the Limousine's signature luxury finish. Multiple coats deliver exceptional depth, gloss, and durability. A crystal-clear protective coating seals the luxury paint finish. It adds depth, durability, and long-term weather resistance. Controlled heat permanently cures the premium clear coat. The result is a flawless, high-gloss armored body. Every painted surface is inspected under specialized lighting. Only a flawless finish meets presidential standards. The reinforced chassis is assembled with the complete hybrid drivetrain. Every critical component is installed with precision torque. The body and chassis become one in the most critical assembly stage. Laser-guided alignment guarantees perfect structural integrity. Thousands of electrical connections power the Limousine's advanced systems. Every wiring harness is routed with military-grade precision. The electronic brain coordinates every critical vehicle function. Each control unit is tested immediately after installation. The luxury cockpit combines handcrafted elegance with advanced technology. Every control is positioned for maximum comfort and precision.
Advanced insulation creates an exceptionally quiet cabin. It also improves thermal comfort and passenger protection.
Luxury materials transform the armored cabin into a presidential workspace. Every handcrafted detail reflects exceptional craftsmanship. Every luxury feature is individually tested before final assemble. Comfort and reliability are verified to presidential standards. Heavy armored doors require precision alignment for flawless operation. Every hinge and lock is adjusted with micron-level accuracy. Advanced lighting and sensing systems enhance safety and visibility. Each electronic component is tested immediately after installation. Run-flat tires and reinforced suspension prepare the Limousine for demanding conditions. Every fastener is tightened to exact factory specifications.
A complete digital inspection verifies every onboard system. Only fully approved vehicles continue to dynamic testing.
The hybrid V8 powertrain comes to life for the very first time. Engine performance is monitored in real time.
The dynamometer simulates real driving without leaving the factory. Power and drivetrain performance are measured with precision.
Every braking system is tested under simulated emergency conditions. The reinforced brakes must perform flawlessly. Advanced suspension testing simulates thousands of kilometers of road use. Every movement is analyzed for comfort and stability.
Extreme water testing confirms the integrity of every seal. The presidential cabin must remain completely protected.
Every body panel is inspected to the highest manufacturing standards. Even the smallest imperfection is corrected before approval.
Every handcrafted interior detail is carefully inspected. Luxury craftsmanship must match presidential expectations. Thousands of electronic functions are verified one final time.
Every system must perform flawlessly before delivery. Every handcrafted interior detail is carefully inspected. Luxury craftsmanship must match presidential expectations. Thousands of electronic functions are verified one final time. Every system must perform flawlessly before delivery. The final road test confirms real-world performance and comfort. Every kilometer validates the Limousine's engineering. The final detailing brings out the Limousine's flawless appearance. Every surface is prepared for official delivery. Each Limousine receives its unique factory identity. Every production record is digitally verified. The iconic Aurus badges complete the Limousine's identity. Each emblem is positioned with absolute precision. Protective coverings preserve the flawless finish during transport. Every luxury surface is shielded from damage. The final inspection confirms every manufacturing requirement. The Limousine is officially approved for delivery. From raw armored steel to a world-class presidential limousine, the Aurus Senat is now ready for official service. Advanced non-destructive inspection verifies the hidden armor structure. Every protective layer is checked before final acceptance. Secure communication systems are verified before deployment. Reliable connectivity is essential during official missions. Critical emergency systems receive one final operational check. Every safety feature must function perfectly. The completed Limousine begins its journey from the factory. It is transported under strict security procedures. From raw materials to a state limousine, every detail reflects precision engineering. The Aurus Senat stands ready for official presidential service. The completed Aurus Senat begins its high-speed validation. Engine, transmission, and stability are monitored continuously.
Emergency braking performance is tested under maximum load. Electronic stability systems respond within milliseconds.
Handling tests verify stability despite the vehicle's armored weight. Precision suspension tuning keeps the Limousine balanced. Durability testing simulates years of demanding road conditions. The reinforced chassis and suspension protect passenger comfort. Comprehensive post-test inspections confirm the Limousine's reliability. Every system passes final validation for official service. The hybrid powertrain is evaluated after prolonged exposure to extreme cold. A successful cold start demonstrates dependable engineering. Extreme heat testing evaluates cooling efficiency and cabin comfort. The vehicle must perform reliably in demanding climates. After completing environmental testing, the Limousine receives final certification. It is now approved for operational deployment. Air filtration and body seals are tested in heavy dust conditions. The passenger compartment must remain clean and protected. The certified Limousine now enters operational readiness. It is prepared for integration into an official motorcade.
Communication systems are synchronized across the convoy. Reliable connectivity supports coordinated operations.
Drivers rehearse coordinated convoy movement on a closed course. Precise spacing and timing are continuously maintained. A final inspection confirms operational readiness. Every system is verified before official deployment.
From raw materials to a fully validated state limousine, the Aurus Senat is ready for official government service. The completed Limousine now enters official operational service. Every system performs as designed in convoy formation.
Precision handling remains exceptional despite the armored construction. The suspension delivers stability and passenger comfort.
Operational data confirms the Limousine performed flawlessly. Every critical system remains within factory specifications.
The final presentation finish reflects meticulous craftsmanship. Every surface is polished to showroom perfection. Built through precision engineering and meticulous craftsmanship, the Aurus Senat represents the culmination of an extraordinary manufacturing journey. Every stage reflects precision, technology, and craftsmanship. Thousands of components become one extraordinary limousine.
Luxury craftsmanship meets advanced protective engineering. Every detail has been refined to the highest standard.
The finished Aurus Senat represents the culmination of an extraordinary production process. From precision engineering to meticulous hand finishing, every step contributes to a world-class state limousine. from raw armored steel to a fully engineered state limousine. Thank you for watching the complete Aurus Senat manufacturing journey.